On Windows 11, if you experience audio problem after a system updates installing an application or out of the blue, the computer could have the updated version of the audio driver. If this is the case, updating the driver to the latest version can fix and even improve the sound quality of your device. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to update audio driver on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Start. Then select Device Manager. Expand the Sound, Video and Game Controller branch. Right click the audio adapter and select the Update Driver option. Click the Browse My Computer for Driver option. Click the Browse button. Select the location of the audio driver. Click the OK button. Click the Include Subfolder option. Click the Next button. Once you complete the step, the device audio driver update will install on Windows 11. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.